welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Water, sanitation, and drainage, the hidden lifelines of every five-star hotel. In this course, you'll master the complete management of hotel utilities from construction to daily operations, ensuring comfort, safety, and sustainability for every guest. Why hotel utilities matter. Behind every luxurious shower, sparkling pool, and lush garden lies a complex network of water and waste systems. Managing them well means happier guests, lower costs, and a greener hotel operation. What this course covers. From sourcing and storing water to distributing it across guest rooms, kitchens, pools, and spas, and from efficient drainage to advanced wastewater recycling, we cover every step of utility management in hotels. Hands-on, practical focus. No endless theory here. This course is built for doers. You'll learn practical techniques you can apply right away in hotel projects, from pump selection to rainwater harvesting. Water supply mastery. Discover how to choose the right water sources, design pumping systems, and build smart storage solutions that keep your hotel running smoothly even at peak guest demand. Sanitation and drainage essentials. Design hygienic waste systems for kitchens, laundry, and guest rooms. Learn the right slopes, materials, and safety measures to keep your hotel compliant and odor-free. Wastewater treatment and recycling. Turn waste into a resource. We'll show you how to set up sewage treatment plants, recycle water for landscaping, and make your hotel a sustainability leader. Stormwater and rainwater harvesting. Capture the power of nature. Plan effective stormwater drainage systems and rainwater harvesting projects that cut water bills and protect the environment. Learn from industry experts. Your learning goes beyond the classroom. Join weekend practical sessions with our expert mentor to see real equipment, real systems, and gain the confidence to manage hotel utilities like a pro. Take the next step. Be the engineer every hotel needs. Register now on our LMS portal, https://hegsdc.com, and start mastering hotel utilities management today.